Bailmati believes in living life with simplicity and humility, as a spiritual guru is a role model. Her hobbies include helping others, listening to music, singing, sightseeing, traveling, and being by the seaside. We all love to see the seaside. Ladies and gentlemen, Mede Desh recognizes on this occasion of 171 years of East Indian arrival to our shores. Please welcome on stage Bailmati Johnny. And we have Karan Nanku to make this presentation to Bailmati. And there we go, Bailmati for education, first recipient in our awardees category. My life has been a challenging pilgrimage to higher self, higher divinity and dignity, and higher dharmic purpose. I have delicately been guided to pursue and discover holiness, joyfulness, and divine goodness from within my being. I have had wonderful models and guidance from my parents, my Himalayan yogic teachers and masters, Christian companions and friends, and many cherished associations with holy persons in different cultures and countries, end quote. Selwyn currently lives in Couva with his wife, son, and 2 daughters, and is currently engrossed with the Sage Path, a holistic center he founded in 2012. Mede Desh recognizes Selwyn Bajan in the contribution for spirituality. I give you Selwyn Bajan. Director of Kshatriya Publications Limited, and is well known for his work as editor and publisher of several local Hindu magazines, such as Dharma Sandesh, Devi Vahini, Guru Prasadam, and Trinidad Yatra. Some of these magazines are distributed to temples and outlets nationwide free of charge. This kind of information sharing via magazines and other written mediums, in keeping with the Hindu community informed, is essential. The magazine's popularity came about due to its coverage of community-based Hindu festivals. When asked why he chose this path, Navin stated that, and I quote, "I do what I love, and I love what I do," end quote. Most of us do that. He also stated that his support and influence comes from the Most High Bhagwan Sada Shiva. Ladies and gentlemen, our third awardee from Mede Desh to you, representing spirituality. Please welcome on stage Navin Ramnanan. One more time for Navin Ramnanan. It takes a lot of work to get there. Suresh continues to make an invaluable contribution towards the development of East Indian culture in Trinidad and Tobago. How? By repairing manufacturing, and playing the dholak. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth recipient, please welcome on stage on behalf of Mede Desh, Suresh Kisoon. Suresh Kisoon, are you the same person who's a mic man? This is Suresh Kisoon, star boy, who recently was at Perseverance, right? Good, good. So you see the guy is really talented. And we appreciate you coming here this evening to receive this award on behalf of Mede Desh. Thank you, Suresh. Well done. Congrats. Ladies and gentlemen, a businessman, well known on radio stations in our country. A man who gives from his heart and receives from Hanuman Baba. Please welcome on stage, Mede Desh, recognizing our fifth and final awardee for these awards goes to Harinarayan Prasad. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Hari Prasad, unable to make it tonight, attending to other business, but his thoughts and prayers are with us. And to make that presentation on behalf of Mede Desh, we have the President with us. And making the presentation, Kavita making the presentation to the President of Mede Desh, and he's going to make sure and ensure that the plaque is going to be delivered to Mr. Hari Prasad. Thank you, Mr. President.
Today we are celebrating the 171st anniversary of East Indian presence in Trinidad and Tobago. The Mede Desh is all about propagating our indigenous local culture. This year we are focusing on the youths. We aim to keep that art form alive, you know, in this day and age where much westernization is taking place and the watering down of our culture is happening. We are aiming to keep that rich indigenous culture alive, and we have been getting a great response. We have been getting help from sponsors and the mayor's office for the past 26 years and counting. And, you know, we are very proud of this event. The response was great. Today we have 11 contestants competing for $10,000. It's very important to keep the youth involved because they are the future of the country. And, you know, with this kind of incentive in terms of having a competition and all of that keeps the interest, as it keeps, you know, it gives them an incentive to keep coming back every year. And this year we do have, you know, a lot of contestants who has been with the Mede Desh for 5 years and counting. You know, they look forward to this every year because there's no other way for them to express their talent. This year, you know, we did not get a great response in terms of sponsorship. The show did go on, you know, we are very thankful. Like, for example, our stage, we got to decorate it for free. Every year, Prashanti's Oriental, they come to decorate our stage for us. Apart from the competition, we had a lot of other cultural items. And we did have an award ceremony. We honored Miss Bilmati Johnny in her field of education, Mr. Selwyn Bajan for spirituality, Navin Ramnaran for spirituality, Suresh Kisoon for culture, and Miss Harinarayan Prasad for community service. You know, the Mede Desh aims to honor our unsung heroes or sons and daughters of the soil, and this is exactly what today was about, honoring those who did not receive recognition in their fields. It's us who won, if not now, when. You know, so we have to make that extra effort to preserve our culture.
Today we are here at the Chaguanas Market Square, Main Road in Chaguanas, celebrating with Mede Desh the 26th anniversary of Indian Arrival Day celebration. And this heritage program here this evening, this is tribute to Ajit Prem Singh, a man who have given so much for the development of arts and culture in the borough of Chaguanas and in Trinidad and Tobago. And 2 years ago, Ajit passed away, and he didn't see the 25th anniversary of what he nurtured, what he grew, and his daughters have taken over this program. And today I am so extremely proud as Mayor of Chaguanas, under whose patronage this program is being held, to see his daughters have taken it over together with the committee of the Meridish committee, and they are doing such a wonderful job. This program, has gone miles ahead of what we're celebrating today in Trinidad and Tobago. As we celebrate the 171st anniversary of the East Indian arrival in Trinidad and Tobago, when we look at all the sacrifices that are made and all the contribution that our ancestors have made for us to be free. And I say and I continue to say, no freedom is free. They would have sacrificed their life. They would have keep their freedom to make sure that we enjoy the freedom that we have today, so that we continue to build Trinidad and Tobago with everybody here, all our brothers from African brothers, all those who came from China, from Europe, the Middle East or so, everybody contribution to make Trinidad and Tobago that glorious place that we want it to be, with all that prosperity about family life, and as we celebrate today. So today we don't only celebrating Indian Arrival Day, but we celebrating the peoples of Trinidad and Tobago in this glorious nation of Mother Trinidad and Tobago. And today, as we celebrate and we look forward in the future, let us reaffirm our commitment. Let us reaffirm to have a new unity, and a unity of love, of brotherhood, of sacrifice, a new unity of security. And that brotherhood and that love should be able to transmit throughout the landscape of Trinidad and Tobago, that Mother Trinidad and Tobago.